Strengthening Faith 53. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Unfortunately, some Muslims have adopted a weak characteristic which only hinders them from improving for the better. Namely, they compare their situation and circumstances to others who are facing easier circumstances, and use this as an excuse not to increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, a person who works full-time excuses their lack of striving in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by comparing themselves to someone who works part-time and simply claims it is easier for them to increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, as they have more free time. Or a poorer Muslim turns away from giving any form of charity by observing those who possess more wealth, and claims that the wealthy person can more easily give charity than them. They fail to understand that these excuses may make their souls feel better, but it does not aid them in this world or in the next. Allah, the Exalted, does not desire people to act according to the means of others. He only desires people to act in His obedience according to their own means. For example, a person who works full-time can dedicate whatever free time they possess in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, even if that is less than someone who works part-time. In this respect, what the part-timer does has no effect on the one who works full-time, so using them as an excuse not to strive harder is simply a lame excuse. The poor Muslim should simply donate according to their means, even if that is much less than the wealthy person, as Allah, the Exalted, will judge them on what they do, and He will not judge them according to what other Muslims do. Muslims should give up these useless excuses and simply obey Allah, the Exalted, according to their own means. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.